Hey guys, thanks for clicking through and welcome to Kelly Insights. I want to introduce you to the LayerEdge Airdrop Testnet. Note that in just 9 days, I have accumulated over 200 points. The process is as simple as Pi, but unlike Pi, it is much easier to get started. And there's a good probability that this airdrop will earn you over $800, but that is if you are ready to put in the work. This project is equivalent to that of GetGrass, but they are better because it solves a Bitcoin problem of helping to empower trustless settlement and trust minimized verification at 99% lower than the cost for all layers. And we're not talking about layer chickens here. This is not about poultry farming, okay? So you can copy the referral code here and share to the people that you want to introduce to this mining opportunity. If you click on referral, it takes you to the page that will show you the numbers of people that you have been able to refer on the platform. The node leaderboard here shows you people that are currently ranking, the top 100 people or persons that are currently ranking on the mining. Okay, above the number one, that's where you see your own score and the numbers of points you've been able to mine so far on the platform. Okay, so from here I think we should check out their Twitter page so you can have a tour and see how it's like. So if you come here now to the Twitter page, you can see that they currently have over 124,000 followers. You see that they recently launched in January 22nd, 2025. Since it's not far back that they launched, now will be a good time to join this LayerEdge beta airdrop opportunity before they go on the LayerEdge public. Start mining to accumulate points. Now is a good time to do that. So whether you are using a PC or a phone, I will show you the process. They are similar, okay? Whether you're using a PC or a phone, the process are similar. So before we start, please, if this is your first time to the channel, kindly like, subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell for more content that can help you achieve a better you. With that said, let's begin. Go to Play Store or App Store depending on the device you are using. Okay, search, download, and open the MetaMask app. MetaMask is a secure wallet making Web3 accessible to all. You can store, spend, and send digital assets like tokens, Ethereum, and unique collectibles on the platform. So the next step is to click on Get Started. You can either import a wallet you use already if you know the passphrase to unlock it, or simply create a new one. In this video, I created a new wallet. If you are creating a new wallet, remember to save or screenshot or use another phone to record the key phrase you will use to access your wallet in the future and save it. Make sure you keep the password safe for logging into the MetaMask platform. I used Google Password Saver so that I don't have to remember it always, and so that whenever I want to log in, it can always log me in automatically. Feel free to listen to a brief example of how to use MetaMask safely. You can choose to skip this part, but I will suggest that you watch this part of the video so that you understand how MetaMask works and how you can use it safely.
MetaMask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key. Whoever holds the key controls the accounts. Your secret recovery phrase is your master key. It's a series of 12 words that are generated when you first set up MetaMask, which allow you to recover your wallet and funds if you ever lose access. It's important that you secure your wallet by keeping your secret recovery phrase very safe and very secret. If anyone gets access to it, they will have the master key to your wallet and can freely access and take all of your funds. To secure your MetaMask wallet, you'll want to safely save your secret recovery phrase. You can write it down, hide it somewhere, put it in a safe deposit box, or use a secure password manager. Some users even engrave their phrase onto a metal plate. Nobody, not even the team at MetaMask, can help you recover your wallet if you lose your secret recovery phrase. If you haven't written down your secret recovery phrase and stored it somewhere safe, do it now. We'll wait. And remember, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone, not even us. If anyone ever asks you for it, they're trying to scam you. That's it. Now you know what a secret recovery phrase is and how to keep your wallet safe and secure.
So now that you know how to keep your wallet safe and secure, let's move on with the rest of the setup. Click on No Thanks. Then click on the icon before the setting icon below. That is the link to the MetaMask website. Okay, then the next page that appears, scroll down, check the box and click on Accept Selected. Just click on Accept Selected. Next, click on the search box and type in the LayerEdge URL and search in MetaMask. Find the link in the description below. I've placed the link, that's the layer dashboard.layeredge.io. It's written in the description box below. That will take you to the LayerEdge platform. Once you get to the LayerEdge platform, you will be asked to connect your wallet. So the next step is to connect your wallet, the same one you created on MetaMask. Click on Connect Wallet, then select MetaMask. The LayerEdge IO will pop up. Click on Connect to update LayerEdge permission to connect with your wallet. So in this place, you will need to fill in the referral code into the box to continue with validation. So use the invite code or the referral code you are seeing on the screen right now to continue with validation. For those using PC, you can quickly copy the invite code from the description below and paste into your dashboard. Now, at this stage, validation is taking place. So let us wait a little bit, in a few seconds, for the validation to take place. All right. So now we have access to start mining our points. So what you do here basically is to claim your daily rewards to get 500 points daily, and you do this for 7 days straight. And if you're able to do this consistently for 7 days straight, you'll be given a 25,000 points bonus. And I think that this bonus keeps increasing every week. I received 25,000 bonus points in my first week. Now I am expecting another 50,000 bonus points in the second week. The other thing you need to do is to click on the start node to start mining. They come back every 24 hours to repeat the process, which is to claim your 500 daily points and then start nodes for mining to start taking place. Remember, I showed you in the beginning of this video where to copy your referral code and where to check the numbers of referrals you have been able to generate, okay, or get. So before I go, let me show you how to claim your daily reward. Click on claim. After clicking on claim, there will be a pop-up that will show asking you to sign. So when that pop-up shows, click on sign or submit, whichever appears, to claim your daily 500 points. So at this point now, it is claiming, and then once it's finished claiming, to show claim. As you can see in the video, I now have 500 points, which should be displayed in few seconds. Let's wait a bit while it's loading. Now you can see I have 500 points. Okay, so to start mining, the next step is to click on start node. So when you click on start node, it will start processing. As it is processing, another pop-up sign will come up again asking you to sign in or submit. Okay, so to start mining, click on sign, and then it will start mining. Now you can see that my initial 500 points is now 501, 502, and so it will keep on mining points per second. So that is it, guys. To achieve or earn at least $800 from this testnet program is easy. Now start sharing your referral code to your friends and families and everyone in your network, so that you can maximize your chances of mining more points daily. Remember that testnets are not the same as Telegram airdrop. Testnet airdrop are not the same as Telegram airdrop. Okay, they have been proven to earn participants more money than any other airdrop project. So with that said, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified for any updates or content, helpful content that I want to share with you guys. Cheers.